Good morning. Welcome back to the chaos. It is day 3, and unfortunately it's kind of like the final day. Everything wraps up pretty much today, so a lot of people either leave tonight or like first thing in the morning. So all the driving events and everything wrap up today, so a little sad. But today I'm playing Passenger Princess since my car is kind of down for the count. I was so thankful to have been able to borrow some wheels to get home, but because I'm on borrowed wheels, I don't want to mess anybody's stuff up, so I'm not putting them through the twisties and risking that. So Passenger Princess it is today, which I'm fine by that. I still get to have fun. So let's go check out, because they're gonna line up for, I think we're cruising the Dragon again, Cherry Hollow Skyway, some of the same roads as yesterday, but hopefully today is no rain. That's the biggest thing. So, and I'm riding an ACR. That's gonna be wild. And then this afternoon, I will participate in the Viper parade through Gatlinburg. So I'm excited about that. My car's gonna look crazy. It's gonna stand out. Probably not for the right reasons, but at least I'm there. Let's go ahead and link up with our ride for the day. This is my ride for today. I'm gonna be chauffeured around in style at that. I'm in Viper heaven. This is amazing, and I really appreciate Alan for giving me the ride. Holy cow, that car is nuts. I'm blown away. I mean, that thing handles amazing, and just the sound of it, the experience, mind-blowing. I'm literally cloud 9. This is the best. cars. It's so awesome. This is insane. I've never seen so many Vipers in one place at one time. Literally in heaven. I can't be any happier. So even though my car is in amongst the group, I'm just excited to be amongst all these other Vipers. I'm so happy. But we stopped off for lunch, which is good because I need like a break because I'm on 11 right now, so I'm so turned up. But we're gonna stop in here and grab some lunch. You'll be on it. back to the hotel for a very quick moment. Now I finally get to participate. So it's the Viper Parade that goes through downtown Gatlinburg. So I trust doing that enough, because I mean it's cop-led, police-led through the downtown streets or whatever, just slow speed cruising, kind of showing off for all the people visiting downtown. But even though, because I just didn't feel comfortable riding around hitting some of these roads on somebody else's set of wheels and tires. So I appreciate them letting me use them, but I don't want to mess them up. So they're just to get me home, and then they'll do fine for this parade. But yeah, I get to participate. But the ACR, mind-blowing. That is a amazing car. So I'd be very curious to know, like, because one, he's a really good driver, so putting a good driver in my car, how it would fare, I don't know. But mind blown at how well that thing handles and just hugs the road with the big front splitter and rear spoiler. I mean, like, it just sticks that car to the pavement. You ain't going anywhere. You go around a curve, I don't know how many G's you would pull, but you would feel it in your gut, that's for sure. But what a blast. But let's go finally participate. The 20th anniversary Tell the Dragon Viper event is officially in the books. So we wrapped it up with the parade of Vipers through downtown Gatlinburg, rolling 40 plus deep, waving and revving at everybody, and people were just freaking out, especially the kids. That's what I love the most, is seeing the kids. It reminds me of myself when I was that age. Shoot, even, I mean, this whole weekend, I was still freaking out. Who doesn't love seeing a Viper, especially 40 plus Vipers all at one time? That's unheard of. But this whole weekend was just surreal. Being surrounded by so many amazing cars, it was a dream come true. So unfortunately we did have a little bit of chaos, but we overcame our wheel setback and ultimately had a blast. I don't regret any bit of this weekend. I want to thank everybody that actually put the event on. They made it such a memorable experience. They were so nice, so kind, so welcoming, so super well organized. If you do have a Viper and you haven't joined like the Viper Club, highly recommend. They put on great events, and especially Tell the Dragon. It's a must. It's been on my bucket list. I've been wanting to get up here for a while now, and this is kind of, I got a little taste of what these mountain roads are and what this car can do, and now it's lit of even bigger enthusiasm to get the car back together and get back up here ASAP. But I want to thank you all for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you smash that subscribe button. It really does help out. And here at the Chaos Car Club, we are exclusively unexclusive. So not only do we love Vipers, we love JDM, European, exotics. If it's got a motor, it's right up our alley. But thanks again for watching. We'll catch y'all in the next one.